Hi friends, my name is Chelsea and I wanted to take a little bit of time to tell you about my YouTube channel and to introduce myself. So like you, I am stuck at home for the foreseeable future and then some because I am 8 months pregnant with our second baby girl. So I won't be going back to work likely until August. So if I could reach out to my clients virtually, maybe make some new friends, maybe get some new clients from this platform, I wouldn't be mad about it. We're gonna make lemons out of lemonade here. Lemonade out of lemons. Pregnancy brain, oh no! You know what? I am gonna make lemons out of lemonade. I'm gonna flip the script here and do some cool stuff. I have my own little studio at a salon. It is called 913 Hair Studio. Quick facts about me. I have been married to the guy behind the camera for 5 years. We've been together for 12. We have a gorgeous daughter, Sloan. We have another daughter on the way. I dabble in calligraphy for fun. Drew's doing this behind the camera. We speak 90% in movie quotes to each other. Solid world hunger, tell no one. And the last thing about me I would say is I don't go anywhere without eyebrows on. A few things I cannot live without hair-wise are my wet brush. I have a super sensitive scalp, unfortunately, and this helps me not hate brushing my hair. They're not even expensive, which is the best part. Another thing I cannot live without is my Kristen S Flatiron. I got this about a year ago, fell in love with it. I will do another video on its features and why it's so fantastic, but I just love this flat iron. Another thing I can't live without is my scrunchie. I'm a human being, I have long hair, I need to toss it up, especially after having a baby. Get out of my face. I totally get why people cut their hair after having a baby now, but I'm not gonna do it because I love my long hair, so thank goodness for my scrunchie. So a few things you can expect from this channel are hair tutorials, product review, product knowledge, some maintenance tips. So that's about it. That's me in a nutshell. If you're looking for any more hairstyles to try at home, check out my top knot video, check out my how to curl your hair with a straightener video, and there will be a lot more to come in the coming days and months and weeks and years. So click bell, subscribe, right? Okay, goodbye.